Hello students, welcome to VLearn tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn linear functions. For linear functions, some basic notations on coordinate geometry we should know. So this is a Cartesian plane. Here we have x-axis, horizontal line x-axis and vertical line y-axis. So on this plane, we have 2 points, point A and point B. So if we see point A, coordinates of point A are x1, y1 and coordinates of point B are x2, y2. Now we can find the slope of the line segment AB by using slope formula. So slope formula is given to us as m is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is slope formula. Slope we write with small m. The slope indicates the inclination of the line segment AB. Suppose here I have line segment AB. I have line segment AB. So this angle, the angle which this line is making with x-axis, that is inclination. So slope, it indicates the inclination of the line segment AB. Also, you have to remember whenever we are seeing the inclination, we should always see it along the positive direction of x-axis. Positive direction of x-axis means anti-clockwise direction. As we are moving from x-axis, we should move in anti-clockwise direction. Like here, I have shown you like this. So this direction is anti-clockwise direction. So if the line segment is increasing, then slope will be greater than 0. So this is the case. Increasing means the value of x is increasing as well as the value of y is also increasing. So coordinates values when it's increasing, so that means slope will also increase. So if the line segment is decreasing means it will be like this. The line segment is decreasing, it will be like this. The value of x and y will decrease. So in that case, slope is less than 0. That means slope will be negative. Slope will be negative if the line segment is decreasing. If it's a horizontal line means a line which is parallel to x-axis. This is parallel to x-axis. If the line is parallel to x-axis, then the slope is equals to 0. Then slope is equals to 0. If the line is vertical, like this, parallel to y-axis. If a line segment is parallel to y-axis, that means vertical line, then slope is not defined. Let us see a few other formulas. So distance between these 2 points also we can find by using distance formula. So distance formula is distance of AB is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the distance formula. So the coordinates of A are x1, y1, B's coordinates are x2, y2. We can also find the midpoint of the line segment. Suppose here M is the midpoint of the line segment AB. The coordinates of point M are x, comma, y. So we can find the value of x coordinate by using the x formula. X is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, and we can find the value of y. We can find the value of y by using the y formula, which is equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. Let us do few examples and understand the concept in a better way. Find the slope, distance and midpoint of the coordinate and midpoint of the points A and B. So I'll draw this. So we have one line segment AB. Coordinates of A are 1, 4 and coordinates of B are 7, 12. So I'll just write here, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. We have to find slope. Slope we can find by using slope formula. So slope formula is m is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So let us substitute the values. Y2 is 12, y1 is 4 x2 is 7, x1 is 1. So 12 minus 4 is 8, 8 by 6. If we do cancellation, 2 into 4, 2 into 3. So we'll get slope equals to 4 by 3. So m is equals to 4 by 3, which is equals to 1.33. That means slope is greater than 0. If slope is greater than 0, that means line segment AB is increasing. If slope is greater than 0, that means line segment AB is increasing. So these are the cases I discussed earlier. So line segment AB is increasing. Now we have to find the distance between the points A and B. So distance formula we can use. So distance AB is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2's value, x2 is 7, x1 is 1, 7 minus 1 whole square plus 12 minus 4 whole square. So which is equals to 6 square plus 8 square. So 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64. So square root of 100. When we add both of these, it's 100. So square root of 100 is 10. So distance between AB is 10 units. So we can write AB is equals to 10 units. Now let us find the midpoint. So midpoint of line segment AB we have to find. We can find midpoint using the midpoint formula. So let us assume M is the midpoint of line segment AB and the coordinates of M are x, y. So x we can find using x formula, which is x1 plus x2 by 2. x1 is equals to 1, x2 is equals to 7 by 2. 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 by 2 is 4. So value of x we found as 4. Now we can use y formula for y coordinate. So y is equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. y1's value is 4. y2's value is 12 by 2. 4 plus 12 is 16. 16 by 2 is 8. So midpoint of line segment AB is 4, 8. So let's do next question. Same question. We have to find slope, distance, and midpoint of the points A and B. So I'll write here, I'll draw line segment AB. So A's coordinates are 1, 8. B's coordinates are 5, 8. So here we can see y coordinate is same for point A as well as point B. So let us see if y coordinate is same, then what is the case? So first of all, let's find slope by using slope formula. So I'll just write here, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So slope formula M is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2's value is 8, y1 is also 8, x2 is 5, minus 1. So 8 minus 8 is 0. 0 by 4 is 0. So we got m is equals to 0. And we discussed the case when m is equals to 0. That means the line is a horizontal line. That means AB is a horizontal line. So AB is a horizontal line segment, we can say, because it's a line segment, it has endpoints. So AB is a horizontal line segment. So horizontal, I already explained you, that means this is parallel to x-axis. The horizontal line is parallel to x-axis. So from here you can make a note also, whenever y coordinate is same. Whenever y coordinate is same, that means the line is a horizontal line or it's parallel to x-axis. So I keep on saying line, it's actually a line segment. Now let us find distance AB. Distance we can find using distance formula. Distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under the root. So let us write the values now. X2 is 5 minus 1 whole square plus y2 is 8. Y1 is also 8. So 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 square plus 0. So 4 square is 16. Or you can directly cancel square and root also. Or if you want, you can simplify. So square root of 16 is 4. So 4 units you will get the answer. So the answer is the distance between points A and B is equals to 4 units. Now we have to find midpoint. Let us assume M as the midpoint of line segment AB. The coordinates of M are xy. So let us find the coordinates of the midpoint. So x coordinate we can find by using x formula, and y coordinate we can find by using y formula of the midpoint. So let us do x is equals to x1 plus x2 plus 2 by 2. X1 is equals to 1 plus 5 by 2. So 6 by 2 is equals to 3. So y is equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. Y1 is equals to 8. Y2 is equals to 8. So 8 plus 8, 16. 16 by 2 is 8. So that means y's value is equals to 8. So coordinates of M, x, y, we can write it's equals to 3, 8. So let's do the next example. So points are given to us. I'll draw a line segment AB. Coordinates of point A 1, 5. Coordinates of point B 1, 7. So we have to find the slope. Here you can notice x coordinate is same. X coordinate is same. Here it is 1. For point B also it is 1. So let us figure out when x is same, what will happen. So first of all, let's find slope. So slope formula will use y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So m is equals to y2. Here I'll write this is x1 y1, this x2 y2. Y2 is 7 minus 5 by 1 minus 1. So 2 by 0. So denominator is 0. If denominator is 0, that number is not defined. That means slope is not defined since we are getting denominator 0. So slope is not defined. For these points A and B, slope is not defined. So we have learned in the introduction, if slope is not defined, that means line segment AB is a vertical line. Is a vertical line segment. So that means AB is parallel to y-axis. AB is parallel to y-axis. This is very, very important for our next few topics when we learn about parallel and perpendicular lines slope. So that's why here I am explaining. So you can always make a note if x coordinate is same. If x coordinate is same, that means the line segment or the line, it is parallel to y-axis or it's a vertical line. Now let us find the distance using distance formula. So distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 is 1, 1 minus 1 whole square plus 7 minus 5 whole square. So this is 0 plus 2 square. So 0 plus 2 square is 4. Square root of 4 is equals to 2. So 2 units. So we found the distance. Now we have to find the coordinates of midpoint. Let us assume M is the midpoint whose coordinates are x, y. So x point we can find, x coordinate we can find using x formula, and y coordinate we can find using y formula of midpoint. So x is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2. x1 is 1, x2 is also 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 by 2 is it equals to 1. Now let us find y. Y is equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. Y1 is 5. Y2 is 7. So 5 plus 7 by 2. 12 by 2 is equals to 6. The coordinates of point M is equals to 1 comma 6. So here we have completed 3 examples. I hope you have understood and liked the content. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe.